Hello guys, today we're going to clean this coffee machine, DeLonghi Magnifica S. We can see this sign, it means it needs to be descaled. Turn it off first. It is recommended to unplug the machine. Then pull out the water tank. Then open this door. Oh, it's quite obviously hasn't been cleaned for quite a longer time. To take out this diffuser, we have to push these two red buttons and pull the infuser outwards. Yep. Then rinse it with water. Let it dry. And in the meantime, clean this mess. Yeah, frankly, I haven't cleaned this coffee maker for a very, very long time. Obviously more than a month. After cleaning, replace the infusion by sliding it onto the internal seat board. Then push the push symbol fully until it clicks into its place, just like that. And close the infuser's door. Wash the rest of the coffee machine, taking out the tray. It's full of coffee. Saving the coffee rest for the flowers. Take this out and wash it too. Let's see what's inside. Oh, for this we need a vacuum cleaner and a brush. Put away the tray. Next comes the water tank. Take out the filter, rinse the filter or replace it. Put 2 tablespoons of citric acid into the water tank. Close it and fill with warm water. Warm, not hot. I would even do like this. I would take off, yes, let it soak for a while, because as you can see, it has mineral deposits on it. We'll get rid of them fast. See, the mineral deposits are vanishing, simply vanishing. Easily, without any effort, because of the citric acid. Citric acid is not that harmful. Of course, it's better to use gloves because it is drying the skin, but nothing more. Actually, citric acid is even useful for nails. Makes them stronger. Yeah, I read it somewhere. So we have descaled the water tank easily, without any efforts. Citric acid and warm water. And now the same water is going to clean our coffee machine. Placing the water tank back on its place with citric acid inside, don't forget about it, with warm water. Turn the coffee machine on and wait till it's ready for the use. Place an empty container with a minimum capacity on 1.5 liters under the cappuccino maker. Something like this. Press this descaling button and hold it down for at least 5 seconds. Here the light started to flash. Turn the steam dial a half turn anti-clockwise to the position 1. The descaler solution flows out of the cappuccino maker into the underlying container. The descaler program will automatically perform a series of rinses and pauses to remove the lime scale. It is also normal for several minutes of inactivity to elapse between rinses. After about 30 minutes, the water tank is empty and this light and this light will flash. I recommend to take another container when it doesn't work. Empty this one. Now you see these two lights flashing. We're emptying this container. put it back, putting this container here and rinse it. And fill with clean water. Turn the steam dialer to the position 0. Put the water tank with clean water back and turn this to the position 1 again. Now as you see this light's flashing, turn the dial to the position 0 back again. And if it doesn't go off, maybe fill the water tank again with clean water. Put it back. Okay, let's put the dial into first position. Now put the dial into position 0 and woohoo, we're done. Clean the spout. Cappuccino spout back, so and so, and fill the water tank with clean water. Now your coffee machine is ready to be used again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.